Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to take a look at a pocketable camera that costs under $200 and somehow replaced my Fujifilm X100VI. Now, the Fujifilm X100VI has always been my dream camera. I love everything about it. The design, the size, and the experience of shooting with it. But recently, I started shooting more sports and I needed something that could capture fast action from a distance. So I made a difficult decision to sell my X100VI and use the money to get a zoom lens. But I still wanted a small camera that I could bring everywhere. Luckily, I found this little camera for around $200. One thing I love about this is that I don't have to worry as much when bringing it to crowded places like concerts. When people are bumping into you, I feel more comfortable knowing I'm not carrying an expensive camera. It's small, lightweight, and is easy to take anywhere. I took it out for street photography and brought it to concerts, and honestly I was surprised by the results. Some of the photos look way better than I expected. So here are the sample images taken by this pocketable camera. All of these photos were taken with an Nikon Coolpix P310, a camera released back in 2012 that most people probably wouldn't look twice at today. But sometimes, the cameras we least expect can surprise us the most. So, would you buy this $200 camera? Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.